Hello, this is TheBenCrazy, and this video will show you how to host an online race on NASCAR Racing 2003, as well as how to join an online race. So right off the bat, let's get into the video and start on how to host an online race. The first thing we need to do is port forwarding. Port forwarding allows other players to be able to connect to your computer and join the session. Because of the vast amounts of different routers available using different software, I recommend going to portforward.com, which is linked in the description below. This will allow you to look up the specific router you have and will give you step-by-step instructions on how to add ports. For example, I have a Netgear R7000 router, so I will go to the list of all routers. To easily search your brand of router, hit Ctrl F and type the router's name. After selecting it, Ctrl F again and search for the model. Click on it and there are the instructions. For NASCAR Racing 2003, we will need to open up ports 32,766 through 32,809 on both TCP and UDP. Then select the IP of your computer, which if you don't know what it is, you can find it by opening PowerShell or command prompt and typing ipconfig. And the IPv4 address is the IP address we want to use. Apply or save the settings, and the hard part is done. The next step is finding out what your public IP address is. This is needed to allow players to connect to your session. Now, a big warning here. Do not give out this information to anyone you do not trust, as they can easily DDoS you, slow down your internet, or hack devices on the network that are not properly secure. Again, this is a big warning. So now that's out of the way, here's how you do it. Go to the website whatismyip.com, which is linked in the description below, and the public IPv4 address is what you need to give out to the players that will be joining. Next, open NR 2003, click Multiplayer, then click the Host tab. Make sure that TCP/IP node is checked and change the player amount to the amount of players racing or to the max. Then add password or leave it blank and click on the Start, and you are ready to get on setting up the session. Also linked below is a link to the server commands, which will allow you to clear black flags, add or remove laps to drivers, or add a driver as an admin. Now for those joining the session in NASCAR Racing 2003, thankfully that's pretty easy. First, you will need to get the public IP address of the person that is hosting the session and open the game. Click on Multiplayer and click on the Join tab. Where it says IP address, type in their public IP address and type in the password next to the password if they set one, and click on Connect and you should be good to go. Lastly, an extra step you can do to improve the connection in the game is using the core.ini file that is attached in the description. The issue you will run into with this file is that everyone in the session will need to use this file as well, or they will not be able to connect to your session. Simply copy and paste it into your NASCAR Racing 2003 folder and you are set to race online. So that is all you need to know to race online in NASCAR Racing 2003. Again, I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like and comment below. And again, I am TheBenCrazy, and I will see you later.